Your brand new Google Pixel Buds A series deserve a quick and hassle-free setup. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to pair them with your phone in just a few simple steps. Open your phone's settings and enable Bluetooth. This allows your phone to search for and pair with wireless devices. Ensure it's not connected to other Bluetooth audio devices. Open the charging case with the buds inside. Press and hold the pairing button on the back until the LED blinks white. This means your buds are now discoverable to nearby devices. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and tap on Pixel Buds from the list. Wait a few seconds for the devices to connect successfully. You may be prompted to confirm or allow access. Tap Pair or OK. Download the Pixel Buds app from the Play Store, Android only. It helps manage settings, touch controls, and firmware updates. Using the app improves your experience and gives more control over the earbuds. That's all it takes to pair your Google Pixel Buds A series. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy setup tutorials. See you in the next one!